Hello again. Right, today's been quite frustrating because the first trade of the day didn't set up correctly according to my rules. I'm talking about this pound yen. I was liking that because we've got a big trend here: high, low, lower, high, lower, high, and it finally made a lower low. So it's trending down. It's below this sort of trend line here at 6 in the morning. So I could move that up to the closes on the line chart. In fact, that's what I did do this morning. And so it was definitely looking bearish. High, low, lower, high. I've done that. And we'd had the H1 and M30 reversal up here. And I just wanted a way of getting into the trade after 6 o'clock, my normal alarm call time. So we'll go through the lower time frame as well. In fact, I'll go to the 5 minute because that's what I would have been looking at that time of day. And as you can see, just after 6 we had reversed to the long side. So categorically I needed a reversal to the short side. It did it here on the 5 minute, but there's no way, this is where discretion comes in a little bit, there's no way I want to be trading into that sort of massive support there, obvious support. So I'd rather be entering up here to test the support, and that would have given me a nice 25 pip move. No idea why 7.15 caused that move. There was no news at that time of day. We were waiting for news, so I was mindful of that would probably cause a sideways move. And watching all this going on here, again, I wanted some sort of deeper pullback and then attempt to trade it from, probably through the support. But what in fact happened was we confirmed, or we alerted to the long side on the 15 minute. So categorically I needed to wait for the 15 minute to reverse to the short side. Now what I was hoping for in a perfect world would have been something like this candle here being just a small candle and getting in about here to attack this level here, but unfortunately it just went without me. So that was how the rules keep you out of some trades, frustratingly, but 9 times out of 10 they're good trades. So it's just one of those things, unfortunately. However, went for a walk, came back, and I could see this lot going on here, and I did manage to use the 15 minute alert here to just double check. There was a 30 minute alert. That's right, it was a 30. I do apologise. Did like the look of this 30 minute alert here. Now it's printed wrongly. I was watching this candle and it printed on that candle because the close of that candle would show the alert. For some reason it changes where it prints the candles, so this was definitely here, this arrow. As I've mentioned in a previous video, I've got to get the software sorted. We'll find a new one. So we had the 30 minute alert here. We can clearly see we're in a 30 minute uptrend anyway. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high. The two green candles there making higher lows and higher highs. So watching the pullback on the 5 minute, that was the pullback there, and that was the trigger candle there, and that was where I hit the trade. Just dropped down to the 1 minute, watch this pullback here, and when we got the new alert to the long side there, took the trade. And I just got 11 pips out of it, but I was quite confident that it was going to go to the 25 level there. As you can see, it uses them like clockwork, and that was that. So it was it's out of my normal trading hours, but I suppose that comes from experience. But it's still using the alerts as they should do, the crossovers, the confirmations of breaks of support and resistance, if you like. I thought it was hopefully it's been a worthwhile mention that sometimes you just don't get the trades. I would have liked to have got that trade early on and had an easy day of it, but if you wait and you're careful and you observe the price action, then you will generally get one, if not two or three trades a day. Okay, thanks for watching.